Hello guys, I welcome you once again. It has been long that I've brought a video setup. Why? It's because I've been working. Uh, we have been working underground, making Deriv underground, right? So, my students, or my main group, I think I dare them to give me 100 likes, 100 arts that I'm going to drop a clean setup on a B25 1x index, and they did give me the 100, right? So I won't fade on that. But firstly, I would like to go to MetaTrader 5 to show them the top-down analysis that I'm currently seeing on this index, right? So let's go to weekly. So let me delete this first. All right. So don't mind this thing giving job. This is an indicator, but at the end, we surely explain what I'm trying to let everybody see. So as you can see, there is what, if you can see this model very clean, it's so very clean. Like we have a kind of a IQ pattern, inverse Quasimodo here, right? And for every inverse Quasimodo that got formed, there is always what, price always come and take the liquidity. This liquidity, price always come and take it out. Then maybe tap into a daily POI or a daily order block or induce or imbalance. Price will surely come and tap in something, or it can be also a structural liquidity that is waiting for us now. So why am I saying that this guy is still going to sell down to here? Though there might be some kind of a price correction, but this guy is still coming down here overall. So how do we know that? Because this model is so very popular, right? What have we seen? This is it here. From this very zone to here, they gave us a change of character. That is, there is a first break of structure. A first break of structure. Then what happened next? There is a clean 50% pullback. 50%. This is the 50% pullback now. It came into the what? Into the our stamper zone. And I don't think we saw all this. Then we must have take this thing, the buys back then, right? But no issue with that. So we have been selling VIX 25 honest index all this while, right? But now see where price is giving up some kind of what, in weekly time frame, some kind of a kind of that price wants to give a kind of a retest, but we won't fall for that yet because we know the world where price is heading to. So now the current zone where price is now is that price already gave us first break of structure, 50% pullback, and the second break of structure here. The second what is giving some kind. This is it here. We have the first break of structure, second break of structure. Then what are we going to be expecting? For price to give us what, and let's even use our equidistant channel to see that. So it is clean. Price gave us all that. Yeah. So price gave us all that, and I've been trying to sell this guy from here. Though we missed most of this drop, but we jumped some. So now, what I'm expecting price to do now is that price to sub down to here. Forget all these things that I are seeing, all these this candle, because I can't see any other block. The only other block that will be stop this guy is here. This is the only other block that will stop it. So I'm saying the price will drop to this zone. So let's go to the trading view and see if price truly heading to that zone. So these lines are lines that I always like to spot out online on all indexes, right? Because this strategy is so very powerful, right? Once I spot out all these zones, I know that okay, one price settle below it and give me a structure. Price is coming to the next one, and see this 8 hours time frame. So right now, what are we expecting? Are we expecting price to settle below this very point, and then we take the sell down to here? So it might take days, weeks, but that is what we are targeting. See from here now, when price broke this, price came from year to year. When price broke this very support line also, now it became what a resistance. So, and how to plot this line, I think most of my students know how to plot this line, right? And so now, what are we looking out for here is that before I slept, before everybody slept yesterday night, I gave them that, okay, this guy, I'm expecting a little bit of what they saw, because price gave us what a butterfly here. Can you see the butterfly? Price give us this butterfly pattern. It was a clean one. So we didn't see I didn't mean I was monitoring. I will have entered from there, and I will still be holding. I will still be holding from this one. But aside that, now since price did what now? Price gave us what? Price shift this internal range liquidity, and also taking out this external range liquidity. So there is no way price will take out internal and external, and it won't give a correction. It will surely give a correction. So what am I waiting for now? Is that price reprice down to here at first, or price reprice down to let's use this very one, reprice down to this one. So we are just expecting now is price to give us what? A correction to any of the two zones, then we take the sell down to here. And if this support, because we are waiting for a structural liquidity that is down, right? We have first because structural 50% pullback. We have that 50% pullback, right? It's clean. We have it. We had it. So see, give the rejection at the 50% pullback, then see, price give the second break of structure here. And since then, we are here to price is here to come and take the liquidity. That is this liquidity that is there. This liquidity that is there. So that is the reason why we are taking our sell here. So we don't want to do any other thing than to wait for price to give us the retracement there. The retracement, and then from here we take the off sell down to here. Then if this guy didn't hold the buy, then we continue to hold our guide to on the MetaTrader 5 we spotted the reason why I don't want to. Okay, let's go back to MT5 now. Yes, see price is heading down here. This weekly time frame now is still far. Let's check daily. It's still far. So that sell is still far. The sell year to year is still far. So we must touch this line. Price must give all that third touch. We must have it. If we are not having it, then that means that this drop is not completed. So you don't want to be looking for any buys, just continue to look for sell. So when we now touch this guy, then price cannot give us some kind of what? Price can bounce from there, like give us some kind of bounce, and continue to later on continue to do what? To fall to the major points where we want price to be at this zone. So guys, so this is what I see on this very index, and it's going to play out. This is our final destination. That is our final destination. Since we can settle below these two lines, the price that can settle below this line, no panic. No matter what, that will be our final destination. All right, so that's that. So just know that now that in case you are not in my signal group, just know that any pullback that you can see price gave you today, I'm going to drop this video today on the 11th of September. So just know that you can mark this out now. These are your zones that you'll be taking yourself. Don't take on the buy. Never go against us selling index, right? Just wait for the correction, then you wait for your confirmation, and then you try to sell. And this zone here will be your TP1. Let me mark that out. This will be your TP1. And in your TP1 also will be your what? Your free fall zone. because if price can take that TP1, just know that you are heading to here. TP2 is as easy as that. So wait, because daily, I think daily 12 hours. If you check your metals MT5, daily 12 hours, 12 hours, in fact, 12 hours time frame is so very bearish. And see, this I say this strategy is so very powerful. Whenever price settle below any line, there is always what, can you see all this rejection? That is the reason why I know that, okay, for price to be giving me all this rejection, I know that no matter what, price is having difficulty to go above the resistance line. Is a resistance. It was before a support, but now turned to a resistance. So right now, you don't want to do any other thing than to this rejection tells a lot. So that is why we scale down and we see what we see a QM pattern, we see a butterfly pattern, and since then price has been dropping. So just know how to plot this line, and you surely make any index, know how to plot this line, then you make any index. And also, if you really want to enjoy most of the signals that have been dropping in the group, talk to any of the admin at the Ola Pips Arcade. Talk to any of the admin here. Just come here, come to this very group. Talk to any of the admin here. Then they will surely reply you in time, right? So we have been dropping a lot of setup for people, and I've been making the market. So all you just have to do is talk to anyone like me to get enrolled, maybe in a signal or on the mentorship. So, but right now you can still make use of this video and make Deriv, right? So, guys, let's get to 500 subscriber. Subscribe, like, and share this very video for me to give more top down, a clean analysis like this, and a clean entry point where you be taking your entry. So guys, enjoy, and see you on the next one. Bye for now.